Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix camera not working in iPhone after iOS 18.3. After updating to iOS 18.3, some users have reported issues with their iPhone's camera, including black screens, non-functional front or rear cameras, and problems with Face ID and the flashlight. The issues have been observed across various iPhone models, so here is a solution on how to fix it. First of all, start with force restart on your iPhone. Press and hold the home button and the volume down button until the Apple logo appears. Now all you have to do is slide the button and restart your iPhone. Once restarted, from the home screen, tap on the Settings app available there. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, all you have to do is tap on the Software Update option available there. Now, Apple may release subsequent updates to address known issues. So, if there is an update available, simply download and install the latest update. Now, once you have updated to the latest version, go back to the Settings General again and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset and reset all settings. Resetting all settings can resolve configuration related issues without erasing your data. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.